Hey guys, it's Gene Gunn from Anderson Nissan again, and I'm here to talk to you about an incredible vehicle that Nissan has been producing for over 10 years, and that's the Nissan Titan truck. It has three main things that most people are looking for in either a sedan, an SUV, or a truck, but they can never get all three in one. But the Titan has that combo. It has work, play, and comfort features. For work, it's got two available engines, a V8 and a turbo diesel that's Cummins licensed. For play, it's got plenty of towing capability for your boat, your jet skis. It's got plenty of room to throw a pair of golf clubs in the back, and it keeps you comfortable at the same time for your commute. Leather trimmed seating, heated seats, and available remote start as well for those cold winter mornings. And this month, there are some insane incentives that are going on for the Titan, huge rebates, and so September is the perfect month to take home your American-made Titan, a truck with one of the best warranties in its class. So stop on down, see me, Gene Gunn, to take home your American-made Titan. Thanks for watching, guys.